More dirty laundry. American English in Minutes, lesson number 54. First, a dialogue. Why do you always leave your dirty clothes all over the floor? You need to pick them up and put them in the hamper. Face it, I'm lazy. Face it, you're the one who has to face it, and you need to do something about it. You left a wet towel on the floor of the bathroom this morning. It must have fallen off the shower rod. I know I hung it up to dry out. Note, pick 'em up. We often drop the th in them. How do you pronounce clothes? Really, the word is clothes with the th. Most of us just say clothes the same way we say close as in to shut. It's not an easy word to say, and close, as if it were spelled cloze, is how it usually comes out. To come out here means out of our mouths. We say clothing with a strong th, but clothes is just too hard. So clothes, like clothes, it is. Dirty clothes, clean clothes. I need a clean shirt. Check in the closet. Does this smell clean to you? I don't want to smell your shirt. Did you wear it already and just hang it back up? I don't like to wash things if I don't have to. The more you wash things, the more they fade. Wash your shirts by hand with some mild soap. I wonder if I have any clean socks. You need to do your laundry more often. I hate ironing. Does this shirt look wrinkled? In the back, yeah. Is that linen? Linen always looks wrinkled. In a perfect world, everything would be permanent press. You know where the iron is if you want to get the wrinkles out. I guess I'm going to have to. I don't know the setting for linen. It should say on the iron. Remember to flip it inside out. Permanent press, a chemical treatment that minimizes wrinkles. Notice the American pronunciation of iron. To air one's dirty laundry. Dirty laundry has another meaning. This refers to parts of a person's private life that the person would not want the whole world to know about. When people reveal embarrassing private matters, we call it airing your dirty laundry. Don't air your dirty laundry in public. Is it laundry day? Some people have an official laundry day every week. Others wash their clothes whenever they start piling up. Some people wait until they don't have anything clean to wear. Some people run out of clean socks and think it's easier just to buy new ones. You'll never run out of American English in Minutes videos to watch. Check out some more.